This looks like a fledgling. Turn around, little baby. I got a perfect view of you. Junco feeding its baby. Oh, it's so cute. Whoops. Oh shit. There we go. Come on. There's another pair of Juncos. A lot of Juncos and babies. I saw one the other day. Cute. This Junco feeding its baby. Come on. Come on. There we go. So cute. Yeah, this is totally the baby. I was right. Just opened its mouth. It's waiting for a parent to come by and feed it. We might get lucky. We'll see. Oh my god, this Phoebe got a butterfly. Poor little butterfly. I saw the butterfly fly by and Phoebe saw it. Oh my gosh. Poor little butterfly. Okay. Well. There's a baby. I'll look for the rest of them. Thought I can get his face from this angle. There he is. Hi, baby! Look at his footies. Oh, he's cleaning them talons. Oh, look at the big footies now. Little house finch is really singing away. I gotta change settings. Look at this guy. I've been seeing them more and more up on the street by the path and stuff. Here he comes. Hey! He says I'm busy. So I'm going hunting. You can really see the markings good on him though. See the brownish color, spotted, stripes all the way up. Oops, I don't know why it's blurry, but whatever. Stupid, shouldn't be blurry. Should be nothing else focusing on. He's in the foreground, so I don't know what the hell's going on. There he is. Beautiful.